Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about MAC authentication bypass. To understand MAC, first of all you have to understand our requirement. Yes, we have a switch. That switch is connected with router. Router is connected with ISP. We also have a DHCP server. Now clients are here. Okay, it's MAC address A, its MAC address B, and its MAC address C. By default, they are in VLAN 1. So what will happen? They will come using DHCP. Here network is 192.168.101.1. We have public IP address and we have configured here pool 192.168.101.0/24. 1 minute please. 192.168.101.0/24. Okay, when it will boot up, it will obtain IP address, for example 101.2, 101.3, 101.4, and they will receive gateway IP address 101.1, 101.1, 101.1. Now using this IP address they can communicate with internet. Now we want that only trusted MAC addresses should be able to access our network resources. So for that, what we can do, we can configure with the help of AAA. We will use here AAA server, and AAA server we will configure here MAC authentication bypass. So we will configure at this interface MAB. Okay, so what will happen? Assume we don't have any entry in our database. First of all, when client will connect, we are talking about from initial. So they have nothing. They will send request here. Switch will say perform MAC authentication bypass. Okay, they will say my MAC address is A. Then switch will send this request to AAA server that A want to access network resources. AAA server database will say no, we don't have any information about A, so it can't access network resources. Same with B and same with C. Now what we have to do, if these clients MAC addresses are trusted, so what we have to do, yes, we have to define in our database. If these are genuine, definitely they will be in our database A, B and C. Yes, we have defined and they are as trusted. Okay, now A will send packet to switch. Switch will say perform MAB. Okay, it will say I am A. Then switch will send A want to access network resources. AAA server will say okay, A, yes, trusted. A authenticated. Now A will send DHCP request. It will obtain IP address 101.2, gateway 101.1. It can access the internet or another network resources. Then B will send, now at the place of A, switch will send B want to access to network resources. It will ask to AAA. AAA will check, okay, B is also trusted. So it will say B authenticated. Now B will obtain IP address from the DHCP and it can access to network resources. Now assume who is coming? Yes, C is coming to access network resources. Then switch will send to AAA who want to access. Yes, C want to access network resources. AAA server will say okay, C is not in our database, not authenticated, so this can't access network resources. Who can access? Yes, A can access, B can access, but C can't access. So this is our MAC authentication bypass. Remember it is not MAC authentication, it is MAC authentication bypass. And MAC authentication bypass is used for those clients which do not support .1x. Yes, you can deploy it for printers and you can cameras. Yes, you can enable MAC authentication bypass for printers and cameras. Thank you.